tools to this, similar architectural ideas. And of those that responded, which was, I think, just about statistically significant, we had about 68% of our projects using something similar to this. So something similar to fine-grained SOA or microservices. And interestingly enough with that was 80% were doing automated provisioning using a similar tool set. And this backs, I think, my thoughts up on this, which is if you're going to push the accidental complexity out into your infrastructure, which is what we're doing, building systems this way, you need to use some kind of automated provisioning. I'm not sure if I've got time to talk about the zombie apocalypse. It's a story about the dangers of rampant infrastructure automation. But catch me up afterwards, and I'll tell you the story. Maybe I can make it brief. The zombie apocalypse was it was an organization that had 700 EC2 environments, all completely automated, including their build servers, CD servers, everything automated. It was on EC2, and they had a process to go off killing sort of untagged processes, untagged machines called zombies. They came in one night, and they'd lost like 10% of all of their machines that they should have had running. That's a bit scary, but they couldn't find the root cause. So then they came in the next night, and they'd lost 95% of their entire development and testing infrastructure. Of their 700 or so machines, they had about 15 left or something. And they worked out it was because the zombie killer, which went off killing zombie processes, was running itself on one of those boxes in EC2. And the first night, it sort of got a list of untagged instances back, and due to a bug in the Ruby APIs, it was everything came back as untagged. All right, so the first night, it walked down the list until it found itself, terminated itself, and then stopped, and they lost 5 or 10% or whatever. The next night, it actually walked down the list, and it was right down the bottom of the list, so it walked down until it